Yep, stay in and stay safe. This is the second video I've done. I've had some good feedback saying they want some sort of direction. Anyway, so if I asked you to draw your house or draw a house, this is probably what you would do, right? This is just a pencil, by the way. It's a metal one, but it's just lead inside. So you might door, a couple of windows, little crosses in the windows, and door handle and a little roof. And that's probably what most people could do, I guess. But no, we're not going to do that today. We're going to go a little step further, okay? That's for kids as well. You can all do this. It's so easy. Got a ruler here. So I'm going to draw a straight line across my canvas. Sorry, it doesn't look straight on here, but it is straight from my angle. And that's your vanishing point. There are two vanishing points, so you need to put that on your little line there. So you've got one line going across your paper and two little dots. You can put those dots wherever you like. It doesn't really matter. Now, all the other lines you make are up and down, straight. And all the other lines go to the points. So that might be the corner of your house. And those two meet there. There we go. We've got the bottom of the house already in 3D. Now we're going to do the top of the house. Up to there, up to there. See? Easy. You can all do that. So, now we decide how thick your house is going to be. Straight line, straight up and down. Straight up and down here. Maybe a bit thinner. Your house is probably thinner than it is wider. Whatever. Now we've got a box. See? See how easy that was with 2 points and a straight line. You can all do that. Let's put in a door. So, again, straight lines up and down. The top of the door goes to the vanishing point. It's on that side of the house. Okay? There we go. Door, easy. Window, let's put a window up here. So, straight line again, 2 straight lines. This one goes to the vanishing point. This one goes to the vanishing point. There is your window. Mark that in. See? Got darker lines now on the lines that we want to keep. So we can see what we're doing. See that? Look how easy that is. We've done a door and a window so quickly. Just by using 2 points and a horizon line. So here we go. We're going to do a window up here. That point. Back to the vanishing point. And the bottom as well. Back to the vanishing point. There we go. And all the other lines are straight. Got a window. Let's put a window here. Well, we've already got a line at the top there. And the bottom. Back to the vanishing point. And we could put a window up here. Using the same lines as the other window. There we go. Easy. Right. So that's... midway point here on the house. Straight up and down. Okay. So your roof. A little line up there going towards the roof. And back down to that corner. So meet the corners on that one. Now this top of the roof goes back to the vanishing point. There we go. Then we put a little line there. That is your roof. See? Look how easy that is. So now we have a roof on the house as well. What am I doing here? Oh, chimney. 3 little lines. Okay. The middle of the chimney. Back to the vanishing point. Okay. That's the front of your chimney. And I guess that goes back to the other point. Right back there. See? A little line there. And you have a chimney. Now we can use a rubber, I think. Oh, okay. I'm using the same points to create the lines in the windows. All the other lines are straight up and down. Remember, any line that goes up and down is straight. And all the other lines go back to the vanishing points. Okay, there we go. We've got a window. Now, how easy is that? That is brilliant. You can all do that. That is very easy. And if you need to pause it, please pause it and do it again or whatever. Now I'm going to rub out all these lines we don't need. Because we don't want people to see those lines, do we? We're tricking people. All right, so rub out the lines and the vanishing points. Here we go. Now, if you've used the pencil nice and lightly at first, it should be easy to rub these out. So don't be too heavy with the pencil at first. Use the pencil quite lightly in the beginning, and then just go heavier when you've got your lines that you want to keep. So here I am trying to rub it out. Obviously, I've gone a bit too heavy on a lot of the lines here. So anyway, I'm just showing you guys roughly. This is a very rough demonstration. I'm not in no way I'm an art teacher or anything like that, so I'm just trying to help you out. There we go. 3D house. Now I've got some I don't know, I want to shade it in, color it in. No, I should go with a black marker. I'm going to find a black marker or a felt tip pen. If you've got a felt tip pen or any sort of biro, anything like that, anything that's not pencil, you can put in the lines here that you want to keep. So we're drawing the house again with a black line, and you can use biro or anything that's permanent, a Sharpie. This is kind of like a Sharpie. So I'm just going to draw. Oh dear, I went a bit wrong on that one. See, I'm not really taking much care on this, but it doesn't really matter, does it? We're having fun. All right, so we're just going to draw our lines in with a pen. Then we can use the rubber and get rid of all the pencil. We don't need any pencil lines anymore. You might need to wait. If that's a felt tip pen, you might need to wait for it to dry a little bit before you start using the rubber. But there we go. Get rid of all the pencil. There we go. Got a house in 3D. Kind of. Looks a bit weird, but we'll go with that. So I'm going to have some grass. This is my green pen. You can use felt tip pens, whatever. See, I put some grass up there on the horizon line where that line was, you know, the first line we drew. And a path. See, paths, you can start at the door and then get wider as it comes closer to you. So it's like an S shape, but the S gets bigger at the bottom. And if you're drawing your house, you might not have a path. You might have a driveway. You might have something else. So obviously, drawing your own house, you draw the way it looks. You have a path, or you have a excuse me. That is not a corona cough. That is not a corona cough. I've had a cough for a long time. All right, this is the sun. Where's the sun going to be? Where's the light coming from? This is my imaginary sun. You can do this. I'm going to put it up there. I'm going to draw around it with a pencil. It's a normal pencil. You don't have to do this, but you can imagine this. This is to help you. Now, the light would be coming from... This is to help you with shadows and making the thing look more... So the light is coming from the sun, emulating right out of it, like all directions, but it's coming from the sun. So all these arrows are coming from the sun. So where is going to be the lightest part? Up on the roof, right? So light's coming down there. It's going to hit the roof. That's going to be the lightest part. This bit is going to be a little bit shadowy, and that's going to be the darkest part, right? So that's going to be your shadow. That's that side of the house. Now, if you had the sun on the other side, then it'd be the opposite way around, but it depends on where you put your sun. So I'm going to find a felt tip pen now that is quite dark, like dark grey. I don't know what colour your house is. Maybe your house is red brick. You need to find a dark red or a brown, a dark brown or something, and fit it in the side of your house if your house is brick. But this is just a house that's been covered in plaster or whatever, paint. So that's the dark side of the house. There we go. Putting the marker pen there. Not very good, but brilliant. And then the light side of the house will be a light grey. So I picked a grey that is a lot lighter than that grey, hopefully. Hello? Are you there? Oh, here I am. So I've got a light grey here. And this is for the front of the house because it's not directly in the sunlight, but it's more sunny that side of the house. So you can decide where the sun is. You can decide which side of the house is the lightest. And with the roof, I think I went like a red roof, and I think I picked a dark red for this side of the roof. And it's kind of a bit bright, but anyway, I think I picked a brighter red for the... Oh, come on. Ollie, come on. There we go. Yeah. That's like a pink. See? So you can see where the light's coming from. The light's made the roof lighter on that side. And the same with the chimney. Sorry, the dark grey. Dark grey on one side of the chimney. Same as the side of the house. Just going in over it again. Make it a little bit darker. So the pen's running out. Running out of ink. And the door. I just went with green. Whatever your door is, doesn't really matter what colour your door is. The windows and the sky. Shadow. Right. So the shadow would be there because the sun is up there in the sky. So it'd be the opposite direction from the sun. So I'm adding in some shadow. I tried using the grey, but I don't think the grey. See, the sun's coming down there, so all this would be in shadow because it's away from the sun. Yeah, that didn't work, did it? I think I got the green out again. I think I went back with the green. Yeah. There we go. Got the shadow of the house because it's away from the sun. So now you've drawn the sun. You know where it is. You know what is shining on it and what isn't. I think I went with the rubber now. Decided to rub out everything, right? Yeah, let's rub out the sun. Well, as much as I can be bothered. This is just an example, so this is a really rough example of how to do this, but hopefully it helps you if you want to do a house or draw a church or a barn or something. I don't know, anything you want really. So I've got some sky colour. That is too dark. That is, yeah, I completely messed up on that. That's the wrong pen. There we go, light blue. So forget I did that first bit of blue, right? I've got a light blue here because it's a sunny day. Some light blue, and that reflects on the windows. So whatever's in the sky reflects on the glass. Obviously from this angle we're looking up at the house slightly, so yeah, it'd be reflecting the sky. So whatever's in the sky is reflected on the glass. There we go. So you've got blue on the glass, blue on the sky. You've got a dark sky, you've got dark windows. We've got that's it. We're done. That is the wonderful drawing I did. There we go, it's my 3D house. It's really pathetic, but I hope it helps you stay in and stay safe. And please share this picture. And bless you all. I'll do another one tomorrow. I'm going to keep doing these videos because it's fun.